Plastic model builders, welcome back. We've got right here, it's the B-17G Flying Fortress. It's a Revell model in the 1/48 scale. Well, guess what? This is the model we are going to do a box break on now, and we are going to build this model after the box break and a bunch of videos just so you can watch, fun stuff, the real model making madness, things that we can do to make models look pretty. Anyway, this is the B-17G Fortress. Let's look at this box. We're going to see what it has on it. So first off, right away, you notice the front, of course, has the model on it. Over here, B-17G, as usual. Another image. Over here, same stuff. Has your paint, what kind you need to use. And of course, another image of the B-17. This model is a skill level 4, so I guess you have to be smart to work it. Build it, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so this is it. Let's open this box and we're going to show you what's inside. First off, we have our clear plastic parts right here. One little thingy of them, one bag. You know exactly how this works. You can see it's got some very nice detail. Right here we have some nice detail on the front window. Look at that. One bag of landing gear. Here are all the wheels and the propellers that we have. So let's look at our chairs that we have right here. They look very nice. These are our wheels. It's an example of a wheel. Our guns, you look at those right there. You can see right here the lovely detail we have on all these panels. This is the instrument panel right here. Looks really nice. Some wings. Here's a good look at our wings and our bulkheads. Right here, this is some engine detail that you see. These wings have raised panel lines. The whole plane has raised panel lines. We have our bombs, some bulkheads. Do you see all the tiny little rivets that we have here in this plane? Got our stabilizers right here. See, there's a lot of flashing that's going to have to be removed from this model. The other half of the wings. Right here we have the top wings and of course more bulkheads aside from the other bulkheads that you have on the other sprue. This right here, this is the other wing half, the other piece. You can see the bulkheads. Over here's another one. Got our landing gear. Not a lot of detail, a lot of flashing. Other side, as you can see, looks fairly decent. We're going to have some fun with this model, of course. Of course, we got part 30 right here. The right and the left. The fuselage. Right here is the fuselage halves out of the bag with part of the engine parts for them. Here we have our main fuselage. Very detailed, a lot of rivets. It's where the wings get attached. You can see very nice detail on this plane. Of course, a lot of flashing that we're going to have to take care of. Of course, the tail. Looks very nice. Let's get a look at our engines. Of course, more parts. Got our little men, of course. I don't know if I'm going to do these. Right here we've got our control deck. And of course, that's one of the first things we'll probably do for this aircraft. Looking at the inside of this plane, see, it has all sorts of metal inside, a little bit of detail. Come along here, places for our windows and our wings to go inserted into. And this will be where the main cockpit is. And of course, gunner stations. This is on both sides, right here. You can tell, just a really nice detailed aircraft. And even the inside of the tail has it. In case you decide you want to do a cutaway, it will give you the cutaway, and that is of the right side of the plane. The instructions and a nice booklet like I've never seen before. As you notice, it's Revell Monogram. Anyway, open this up to this page, and we have our decals right here. Here are the decals. As you can see, they look very nice. You got our Chow Hound, all of its markings, 231367, and of course the El Lobo. Not a lot going on there. See that? Very nice. Easy to see. USA. Alright, next up we got our instructions here for the B-17G. Each page basically has the instructions, as you can see. The clear numbers, lots of illustrations. Starting with step 1, we have to attach this wheel to this back plate right here. We've got step 2, which is the gun turret, so get that assembled. Step 3, we've got some bulkheads and of course a chair. Moving down to step 4, we have the other gun. Step 5 is the entire front flight deck, all the assembly, the control panels, all that stuff. And step 6 is the back with that rear bulkhead. Step 7, we're inserting that into the aircraft with various controls, putting in some windows with our guns. Keep in mind, this isn't going to be the exact order you do this. Step 9, we are putting in the entire flight deck into the plane with some of these panels that go on the side. We have our bombs and our bomb dropping, whatever you want to call that. That's on there. More windows and more guns. Front on the side there. And then our rear gun, that's going to go in. Step 15 we have right here. Putting in wheels and of course the other stuff. The directions look a little kooky. Go to the left wing, assemble same as the right, pop this wing in whether you want to do it or not. Step 18 was doing those guns, putting those together, and then step 19, that's the top turret assembly. Step 20, putting in more guns and more windows. Hope you got all that so far. So there it is. Now step 21, that is the rear gun and the rear canopy window. We have our stabilizers for step 22. Step 23 right here, we have our engine assembly and the props. Get those right. Put those on the plane along with the exhaust. Make those look real pretty. It's Model Making Madness. We have some antennas going onto the plane. Here we have step 25, of course, the bomb cart. Now, decals. This is for the El Lobo. And the other side, the Chow Hound. Here, information and more information. So this is it. This is the B-17G Flying Fortress. Come back next week and we are going to start washing our parts and start assembling things. In which order? I don't know. So, you know how that goes, right? Model Making Madness, and we're going to make it look pretty. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, see ya.